Hey guys, welcome back to another journaling session with me. So today, March 31st, let's start by uploading the trade I did right now. Yeah, basically I've been finishing the day within like first 25 minutes of the market. So that was the only trade on the Nvidia. Let's see. Yeah, that was Nvidia 104 put. Alright, first of all, I'm gonna start by the pre-market watch list that I've been having. Let me copy it. Okay. Here is my pre-market watch list for March 31st. I've been having only SPY below the level, Nvidia retest of the level, and Google below the level. So basically, I've been trading only the Nvidia. But actually, I want to tell you, I've been trying to trade the SPY puts. But for some reason, there was like some glitch that I have never seen before. So when you go for the SPY for today, you're missing some strike prices right there, guys. You guys can see it from 550, then 547. Where are the 548, 549 strike prices? I don't see them. And I actually wanted to trade the 548 strike price to trade it for the puts, but unfortunately I didn't see that. I was kind of freaked out by this happening before my eyes, so I decided to go for some other thing. And at some point, I've been seeing all three of the setups working well. So that was the Google, that was failing the level. That was the SPY with perfect break and the retesting candles. And that was also the Nvidia. Where is the Nvidia? Let's go to Nvidia. Yeah, so that was the Nvidia right there. The first opening 5-minute candle started to go up, but then failed and then closed below the level. And the second 5-minute candle opened right there. And it tried to reclaim back above the level and failed. And at the moment when this thing started to go lower than the level, at this area, I started to go in and went in for 200 contracts, and that was my position from the entry price of right there, like 2.74, and the price went down right there to 335, I think. Yeah. So basically, that was a small trade, small percentage-wise, not profit-wise, and we've been trading it from this area to this area, and we've been risking only a small amount, around like. So the stop loss was around like 2.60, I think. So we've been risking like only 15 cents per contract. So I tried to make like 30 cents per contract at least to trim at 2-hour multiple. But unfortunately, I had one mistake. Let me show you on the tradezella, on my executions actually. Yeah, after going in at 274 for 200 contracts, my 2-hour multiple should have been at. So at the 260 is my stop loss, and I wanted to get at around like 304 for exactly 2-hour multiple. Oh, it looks like it's a little bit more than that. So I mean, let's say 359 then. Yeah, exactly 2-hour multiple that I wanted to achieve. So when I saw the price at 310 on my screen, I decided to go in with the market order instead of going with the limit order. And you guys can see on the executions. Yeah, here is the execution. I've been trimming majority of my position, like 60% of my position, 120 contracts at $3 instead of trimming it at 310, 315. And you can see right there. Basically, I'm going in at this area and then I'm trimming at this area with market order instead of going in with the limit order. I could have had like really nice fill at 310 right there. Or maybe even like, I think that's 315, right? Yeah, basically this thing went up to 316 even. I could have had like a nice fill at 315 on this candle with no problems. So that could have been additional like 120 times 15. That's around 1800 of the profits that I missed just because I used market order instead of using limit order. That's my mistake and I have to work on it. All right, so basically, let's go back to the reasoning. Why I went into this trade. I went into this trade because I've been seeing a clear downtrend on the hourly time frame. As you guys can see, basically everything lately are going down. So here, not an exemption. So things been going down on the Nvidia and everything is going down on the pre-market. Then the market is starting, everything is gapping down and going further to the downside. So I tried to take advantage of this move from this level to the next level. I thought that there will be some gap and go price action. But right now, you guys can see that this one is looking more like a bullish candle. So there is the possibility that there can be some move to the upside. I don't know, maybe this thing will be continuing to the upside, or maybe that's just some kind of a pullback. on a more global downtrend, it can be making some kind of a lower high right there and then continue to push down ultimately. We don't know that, but for today we are done. We've been trading only for 25 minutes and that's nice. Nice to be done before 11 a.m. even. So yeah, basically I've been looking at the 2-minute time frame. So from this part, you guys can see price opening, starting to go up, then failing, going down, and then retesting the level. And here was really nice entry opportunity. We've been taking it, things been going down smoothly, and we've been just closing our position once this thing triggered my stop loss that I've been shifting. So basically having my stop loss from this area. From this area, I've been shifting it, and then I shifted it to this area, and I've been closing my position on this area, on this green candle. I've been kind of wondering if this thing can be making some kind of a lower high on 2-minute time frame and then ultimately go down. But no, that was some sign of the reversal. But gladly, I've been trimming, I've been closing position in profit, and even the last contracts. Did I close the last contracts in profit? Let's see. Yeah, even the last 20 contracts, I've been closing them in slight profit. So yeah, basically, I'm really happy for this. So let's start the journaling. What was the setup? That was the break and retest. And what are the mistakes? First of all, that's early exit, because I've been using market orders just to go out of the position with majority of my position when I saw the price 310, but I should have used like limit order and had a little bit more patience, maybe like a little bit 10-20 seconds more patience, and I could have had, like, as I said, 1800 more profits on this thing. All right, so what are the other mistakes that we had? Oh yeah, news time. We've been actually having some news going in, and that was the Chicago PMI index at 9:45 a.m. I completely forgot about that. Usually I'm just paying attention to the events at 10 a.m., which are the most significant ones. So basically, yeah, we've been just having our position open even at 9:45, yeah, right there. But still, I think that's kind of okay for me, because even if I have some news, if I'm in a position, I try to go out as much as possible and leave some runners. If the news are affecting the market in a way that it's just shaking it, it's just immediately triggering my stop loss, then okay. Or maybe I might be lucky and the market will be moving in a favorable direction to me. So either way, that's only a small part of the position. It has to be a small part of the position so that it won't affect your mentality that much and you can endure it. All right, so what are the other mistakes that I made? Stop loss was quite tight. Maybe oversized a little bit. I think I should have gone for like less size for this. But no, actually no. I think that's quite okay to use a larger size, a little bit larger size on Monday, because Mondays are usually slow because you still have the whole week until the expiration and the options are moving slow and there's no decay usually. So marking it, I might give it like maybe 4 stars because I've been following everything to the plan. And let's link this thing to the playbook. Linking it, I'm having only playbook that I have. So waiting for the first 5-minute candle to close on the market. Yes, I've been using the levels. Yes, I've been using the patterns, the break and retest. Relative strengths or weakness, that's not quite applicable because things been going down simultaneously. Tight stop loss, yes. Consistent position size, yeah, I think yeah. So trade was planned because here it was in the pre-market plan. So I've been trimming at 2-hour multiple. I can't mark this thing as check because I was a little bit impatient before trimming at 2-hour multiple, because I should have been trimming at 304 at least to make 2-hour multiple, but I've been trimming at 3. That's less than 3-hour. That's less than 2-hour multiple. Sorry. So let's see. Candle started to reverse, and I decided to close the last contracts. This was aligned with the SPY and QQQ direction. Yeah. Basically, this is done. Okay, marking it as done. Okay, marked. So basically, we've been out of the position at 9:51 a.m. on the market. Basically, we've been trading only 20 minutes. 20 minutes, 5K of the profits, and we are done on the Monday. And we have the whole day for other things that we have to do. So this thing is taking eternity to load. Let me give it some time. Oh no. This thing is actually frozen. Oh, it's alive. Yeah, I hate when this thing is happening because usually my Google Home is so bad. All right. Is it just tradezella or my internet or my Google Home? Maybe I should start using some other like web browser because the Google Chrome is just killing me. It's taking so much of CPU. It's just draining the laptop, the computer. All right, so I'm just taking a screenshot of my profits and then I'm just posting it to my community. So I think that everyone are still trading, but I'm the first one to finish the day. But I told people to finish the day also, so that they're not spoiling their profits. And basically, yeah, here we are, just pasting it, one and done for the day. So thank you guys, that was it for me for today's journaling. And let's see how we have stats on March. 136K for the month. Really nice, really nice. Let's update everything. tradezella is taking eternity. All right, anyway, I think that's gonna be it. Maybe I should wait for this page to load. I just want to check my monthly statistics, the win rate percentage, because this 2025, I'm interested in improving my win rate above everything. So yeah, this thing is just killing me. All right, guys, so I'm gonna finish. Not gonna wait for this thing to load. All right.